It wasn't long after the winter storm that dumped more than 30 inches of snow on the area that rains and melting snow brought floodwaters to Stanwood. More than 300 people volunteered to fill sandbags and place the sandbags at weakened areas around the city limits. It will take state and local government officials some time to put a final tally on the damage caused by this record-breaking flood of the Stillaguamish River. Rapidly rising waters forced the evacuation of several families south of Stanwood. Floodwaters began to recede Friday, leaving the affected areas with a cleanup that could last for a long time.
Yeah, is this the new line?
This is Rick Wood reporting for the Stanwood Camano News.